Round 4, below the belt. There are rounds in this fight when you're just hanging on for the bell. You're praying that one more punch doesn't land in your gut before the 3 minutes is up. Chemo is like that. I was hanging on the ropes, taking punches, trying to throw punches. My mind strained to understand all the medical information the doctor was explaining so rationally, until I was dizzy. Come on, Bell. I would go home and look in the face of my daughter, and the tears from my heart could overflow rivers. Please, ring, Bell. But while the mind is thinking and the heart is weeping, the body still has to fight and fight and fight until there's no more fight left. Yes, I know. We are more than our bodies. The battle is also fought in our minds and in our spirits. But when it comes to pain, you are trapped in your body and it's awful. In the throes of physical pain and sickness, I just wanted to quit mind, heart, and body and check out, give in, crawl into the box and wait for my death. I wanted to pull the covers over my head and submit my letter of resignation to life. I decided I would send it to whom it may concern, and to few it would not concern at all. Dear life, you cheated. It's not fair. This was not supposed to happen. I did not sign up for this. And no one had put my name down for cancer while I was not looking. You have taken my life, a life that was finally going quite so well, and you have wrecked it. You have hit me before, but nothing like this. Out of a clear blue, whammo, cancer. That blow was way below the belt. More specifically, it was a blow right in the breast. I'm not playing anymore. You win. Are you happy now? I will miss the sunsets and the laughter of my children, walks with my husband, and the taste of homemade bread. But other than that, you can have everything else. I'm too tired to fight anymore. Please accept my letter of resignation. I will be cleansing out my desk shortly. I would like to go home now. Yours, not so truly, me.